First of all, thanking our sponsors who have been of great support, Arma Sterling Perfumes as well as J7 Sports, who have supported us throughout this event, not only in this tournament, in most of the tournaments that we have done. And thanks to the sponsors. And again, there is no game without you guys. Thanks to each and every one of you as well. Going into the individual awards first, that is the man of the match of the semi-finals. Firstly, the man of the match between Akhil Motors Team 11 and MCC, wherein Akhil Motors Team 11 won by 1 run. The person who made it possible for 43 from his 4 overs, Ibrahim Jalal.
आपका एक सिंगल
The man of the match of the second semi-final between Pelicans Cricket Club and Bonding Blasters, wherein Bonding Blasters winning the match by 17 runs for his excellent all-round performance, 2 for 26 from his 3 overs and 24 of 14 deliveries, Mohammad Shair of Bonding Blasters. Guys, before I announce the man of the match of the final, I would definitely want to write out some excellent performances throughout this match. Firstly, Bipin for his 1 for 7 from his 4 overs. Another delightful performance was Shravan, though he went wicketless, going away just for 22 runs, both of them bowling well in tandem. Nasir Khan, though going away for a few runs, which is a rare sight, but 3 for 36 from his 4 overs. Prado for his 17 ball 42. But man of the match for his 4 for 14 from his 3 overs, some excellent death bowling, Mohammad Shair of Bonding Blasters.
अभी कौन सी बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस
Going into the best performers of the tournament in each and every department of the game. Firstly, starting with the best bowler of the tournament, with 13 wickets at an economy of 7.75 and an average of 11.92 from his 6 matches, Georgie Jacob of Pelican Cricket Club. It's not here. Going into the next award is the best batsman of the tournament. With 348 runs at an average of 116 and a strike rate of 146.84 from his 5 matches, Devi Prasad Rao of Riders Cricket Club. It's also not here again. The best fielder of the tournament is yet another player from Riders Cricket Club with 7 catches and 1 caught and bowled from his 5 matches, Nijin Anthony of Riders. The only individual award winner over here is the next award. He's made it a habit right now. With a total of 10 dismissals from his 6 matches, that's 2 catches, 6 stumpings, and 2 run-outs. I saw a different name in his profile today. Obedullah Khan of Akhil Motors Team 11.
अबे स्पॉन्सर को भी तो दिखाना है, वो नाराज हो जाएगा।
स्कोर कीजिए
ये चाहिए, स्पॉन्सर नाराज आएगा बॉस, पैसा नहीं मिलेगा।
यहाँ से ऐसे घर भाग जाएगा गाड़ी लिए बिना।
थैंक यू साहब।
The best player of the tournament. As we have a custom of mentioning the top 3, I do not break it. At number 3 was Devi Prasad Rao of Riders Cricket Club with an aggregate of 38.73. At number 2 was Rajaram Subedi of Pelicans Cricket Club with an aggregate of 42.72. But the man of the tournament, that's the best player, is with an aggregate of 48.56, Rahul Kataria of Bonding Blasters.
काली परफ्यूम मेरे लिए यूज नहीं करेगा, राउंड को और चाहिए सब थोड़ी।
परफ्यूम भी दिखाओ।
मुश्किल है
Can I request Akhil to join me, please? Akhil, hard luck. It wasn't your day completely, but possessing an excellent batting lineup, you would be disappointed with this total what was put on batting first, though you won the toss. And but the way you guys came into the final was the highlight of the tournament. That's exactly what I would mention, because pulling off a victory from the jaws of defeat was something you could have cherished at that point. Not stretching it much, but what do you have to say to your boys today and about your entire performance throughout the tournament?
First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. Prado and his team for winning the tournament. Regarding my boys, I couldn't be more proud of what they have done. The whole tournament they have been playing amazing, especially as you mentioned the semi-finals. We had almost lost the semi-finals, but as I said, from the jaws of defeat, we won the semi-finals. And when it comes to the finals, yeah, our batting, as you said, we have a long batting lineup. But I think after first 6 overs, the 2 spinners bowled pretty amazing, and I think that's where we lost the match, I would say.
Akhil, again, today was a complete day for the spinners, and that's why I thought even like you came into bowl the first over, and then Nasir coming in within the power play, as well as Moin bowling some excellent overs. Like your spinning department has changed over the last couple of tournaments, having brought in some good young blood into the team. What do you have to say to them to continue on from here?
Our spinning attack, I think, is one of the best in the tournament. I'm sure everyone agrees. And as you said, Nasir, Moin, Abdul Qadir, and myself, like when the four of us start bowling, the teams they start being under pressure. So, but even today, I thought our spinners did pretty well, and I thought we almost had them. But then again, Sam, I think, played a very good innings, and they deserve to win it.
Thank you, Akhil. Not stretching much. Can I request you to receive the runners-up trophy as well as the medal on behalf of the team, please? The runners-up of Unicorn Floodlight League, Akhil Motors, Team Levins. Can I request the captain of Bonding Blasters, Prado, to join me, please? In fact, it should be Pradesh to join me, please. Prado, could have not asked for more from your boys, because excellent game in the semi-finals. Having beating a side of Pelicans standards, that was an excellent match. Over and above, it has been a finals that you actually would have cherished, especially with your bowling department, and your performance personally, as well as Sam finishing it off for you. Like, what is that special moment that you had throughout the match that really actually, I can say in fact the tournament, that really pumped up your boys to put in such a good effort?
First of all, I would like to thank Unicorn for giving this tournament after the pandemic. I mean, we registered Bonding Blasters for the first time in Unicorn tournament. So it's a team which has won before, but this is the first time we're playing in Unicorn, right? So it's a new unit. We thought, okay, we'll look at 2-3 tournaments down the line. That was the plan. But the team started gelling well. We started winning. We lost the very second game with Akhil Motors again, which was a low-scoring game. So coming into the final, we always had this back of the mind that it's a game that we need to give it back, right? So, and they are the team which plays constant finals always. So we are just making our first final for Unicorn. So this is a game we need to play well. And for me, if you ask about the one moment, I would say the semi-final. The game went out of our hands. I called the guys for a huddle and I said, if you want to just give the game, just give it now. And then the next 6 overs, the team played exceptionally well. It's not just one person, I can say the whole team as such. At the same time, I want to thank Pradi and Balu for showing the confidence in me to lead the team and giving me the boys that I really want in the team. And I mean, nothing more than that, I can say. So.
Prado, as always, when spinners started the attack, you would have had a bit of a goosebump on your mind. Especially you giving the start over there of that quick start, which wasn't expected being a spinner, because you like to play the fast bowlers coming on to the bat in the initial phase. Like, what was your mindset when you went into bat there, that moment?
Having 120 to chase, it's always tricky. I always believe low scoring games are the most tricky ones. So I had told the team that if we go and we play ourselves, I mean, let it be whatever the situation, but let's try and take it along. I had assigned the task of taking the innings along for 3 batsmen in the lineup, and the rest of them were to bat around them. It was Laiju, Bipin and Jihan to take the innings along. Shahir, myself, Sam and Rahul to go aggressive, right? So when the innings was over, Bipin came up to me and said, better you play your game. So he said, go full guns blazing. You don't have to stop yourself, and that made a difference. And having Laiju with me is always comfortable. So yeah, it was our day. I mean, Akhil Motors did come back really well, but still we had the firepower to fire. Sam was there, which was always backing us. Yeah, we still had Ajmal and Jijo in the lineup, so we were confident we can chase this.
Thank you, Prado. Well said. I think your partner in crime has caught you the right way today. Thank you.
I would like to call Jihan and Jijo from Bonding Blasters to collect the trophy.
Can I request Jihan and Jijo to come and receive the trophy on behalf of the team, please?
Boys,
Guys, the winners of Unicorn Floodlight League, Bonding Blasters. Thank you guys, and we will not be having group photographs. Okay, and it's also a request that you guys can take group photographs, but do not post it on social media, please. Okay. Thank you guys.
क्यों?
okay.